Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another one, y'all. This is going to be on the Beyonce new collection. This is the second collection, the Drip 2.2 Black Pack. So I had to get my hands on some of these items because y'all know I love black. So when I seen she was coming out with another collection, I was all the way in. Even though I couldn't get my hands on a lot of things, but I just grabbed two items, the items that I could get. So here we go. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe because I'm still trying to reach that 5K mark. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Yes, let's get into these shoes. I absolutely love the leather, the suede on these shoes. I went true to size of size 8. I was thinking I should have went down a little bit because they are still a little, just a tad bit big. So if you have a wider foot, you most definitely want to go up. My foot isn't like really big. So I went through the size. I absolutely love the way these shoes look with jeans, you know, kind of rolled up at the bottom. Really look nice. One thing I was a little nervous about is I thought the shoes would look big and long, but they actually don't. They really don't. They have that platform sole on them. Really nice fit. Really enjoy these shoes. Okay, these are the cargo sweatpants, and they have a total of 6 pockets on them, as well as those button open parts, 2 of them, one in the front, one in the back, zip pockets. Nice pants. I was really shocked. I got these in a size medium, and I was surprised that they actually fit. I thought they were going to be a little big because all of the gender neutral stuff was coming very oversized. So I got these in a medium, and like I said, I was surprised at how they fit. The length was really nice. I love the way they fit over the shoe. Again, I was surprised because I thought the cuff would be a little bit bigger. Love them. But I think I like the joggers better. I love the fit of the joggers better. These in the back, they kind of low, so if I bend down, I know my butt more than likely will be out, but they're kind of baggy in the front, as you can see. Lots and lots of room in the front. I didn't really like that part. Okay, out of this whole collection, I think these shoes has to be my favorite. I do have the bucket hat, but I forgot to post that in this video. But I do have the bucket hat, and it's just black. It's just a black bucket hat, almost similar to the Drip 2 collection bucket hat. Nice fit. It goes perfect with this collection as well. But I think my favorite thing out of the whole collection is these shoes. I absolutely love the way they look with these jeans. Really, really nice, comfortable shoe. And this is, like I said in my last video, this is my second pair of Adidas. I typically buy Nike, but I love the way these shoes look and I love the fit of them. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, thumbs up the video, and leave me some comments. Let me know, what did you get from this collection? Do you like this collection better than the first one or the second one? Which one of these collections is your favorite? I think this black pack has to be my favorite, even though I wasn't able to get the hoodie or the joggers. Those were the only two things that I really, really wanted, was the hoodie and the joggers. So another collection to come, so you never know. All right, y'all. Peace, be safe. Don't forget to subscribe.